It's April 10th, 2018, and IBM has just announced the new IBM Z14 mainframe, which will be available later this quarter. The new Z14 server features Z Hyperlink Express, a new direct connect short distance link designed to deliver low latency connectivity between Z14 servers and IBM DS8880 storage systems. This improves application response time, cutting I/O sensitive workload response time by up to 50%. These performance improvements are achieved seamlessly without need for application changes. Under the covers, the new Z14 boasts up to 10 cores per processor chip, improved instructions per cycle (IPC), with microarchitecture enhancements and 6.1 billion transistors. Another feature of the Z14 is the IBM Secure Service Container, which enables secure deployment of software virtual appliances, including Docker containers for blockchain environments. This enables IBM Z a viable platform for hosting modern, cloud-native, container-based applications. It isolates and protects the container data from privileged users, minimizes the risk of tampering or malware to the solution code, and supports pervasive encryption principles. The new IBM Z14 is your ideal mainframe if you currently have an IBM Z13S, ZBC12, Z114, or Z10BC, or a smaller ZEC12, Z196, or Z10EC. Have a requirement to scale up to 8,000 General Purpose Central Processor (GCP) MIPS for current and future growth. Require 30 or less specialty processors. Integrated facility for Linux (IFL), Z Integrated Information Processor (ZIIP), and Integrated Coupling Facility (ICF) processors. Have smaller coupling and/or I/O attachment requirements, including Z Hyperlink Express. Have a data center strategy that's PDU based with 200 volt to 240 volt power with air cooling. Want a 19-inch industry standard form factor allowing lower power cost and have a 40% smaller footprint cost than fits freely in any data center. Contact GlassHouse Systems, your mainframe experts for over 2 decades, to learn more about the new Z14 and all things Z.